Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all your WhatsApp chats at once on Android. So this is my Android smartphone, so let's start. So first of all you have to find your WhatsApp on your Android device and then tap on it to open it. So let me find mine. So here is my WhatsApp. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened and you can see I have this chats screen opened. And you can see I have 3 chats over here. You might have more or less. So I want to delete all these chats at once. So if you want to do that also, then what you need to do, you have to tap on this 3 dots at the top right. So let me tap on this. And after that you have to tap on this settings. And then you have to tap on this chats. And then you have to tap on this chat history at the bottom. And I have this chat history screen opened. And you can see guys, I have 4 options over here: export chat, archive all chats, clear all chats, and here we have this fourth option, delete all chats. So what you need to do, you have to tap on this. Let me tap on this, and I have this pop-up screen opened. And you can see here we have this message also. Let's read that. Are you sure you want to delete all chats and their messages? And here we have this option, delete media and chats, and make sure guys this box is checked. And after that you have to tap on this delete this link. So let me tap on this, and it's now done. So let me go back and let's check out. Let me go back again. Let me go back again to this chats screen, and you can see I have all chats deleted at once. So that's it. In this way you can easily delete all your WhatsApp chats at once on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.